Hi YouTube family, Z4C Natural here, and by now you've heard of the Yao women of China. They're known as the long-haired village. Their hair on average is about 7 feet, and their secret is rice water. So I'm going to tell you how I prepare my rice water and my experience and results. To make my rice water, I put about a cup of rice inside a small container, and then I use about 1 bottle of distilled water, so bottled water. I find that when you use bottled water, it smells better. So you can use tap water, but bottled water is going to smell better. And I just pour that in. Cover it and let it sit.
So it's a day later. I just finished shampooing my hair and my rice water is ready to use. So I'm just going to take it out. I like to shake it up a little bit, just make sure I get everything, and apply it into a spray bottle. That's going to make it easy for me to easily apply it all over my hair. Okay, so I've got everything in the spray bottle, and now I'm going to start to apply it to my hair. Okay, so I've got a little bit of shampoo residue on one side, but I'm not concerned because there's so many steps in my wash day that by the time I'm done, it will definitely be all gone. So I'm just getting ready to apply the rice water into my hair. So I started using rice water last year. I use it for both my hair and my daughter's hair. And right now there's a million rice water videos on YouTube. A lot of people are saying it grew their hair overnight. They got 1 inch in a day, 3 inches in a week. There's all sorts of stories with the rice water. So I'm going to tell you the truth according to my experience. So my experience, will the rice water grow your hair overnight? Probably not. At least that's not what happened for me. I don't see rice water as like a growth tool. It's more like a length retention tool. And there's a difference. I mean, the end result hopefully is the same, but what rice water will do is it will help the elasticity of your hair. It'll strengthen your hair and make it less likely to break. So if you have type 4C hair, that is the hair type that is most prone to breakage. So it's probably going to be a good thing for you. If you're dealing with a lot of breakage, rice water is definitely a good tool. So what you're going to notice after using it is that it's going to make your hair feel more elastic. So it's going to definitely increase the elasticity of your hair, but at the same time, it's going to strengthen it. So rice water is considered a protein. So I use it as my protein treatment. I alternate between this and henna. And I like the henna because it also thickens your hair, but rice water is nice because I don't know, while it strengthens your hair, it doesn't give it a hard feeling. So I do like that about the rice water. So yeah, if you are consistent with the rice water, you'll definitely see increased length retention. Another thing that I like about the rice water is that in my experience, it does it helps your hair keep its color. It makes my hair look more black. And my hair is naturally like off black to a light brown, to the point where when I was younger and I'd spend a lot of time in the sun, like my hair would easily bleach and I would literally get blonde streaks. So my hair, probably because it's so fine, it definitely, can lose color easily, get bleached by the sun easily. And I feel like the rice water helps with that. My preference is jet black hair, but I don't want to, damage my hair by dyeing it. So I do like that the rice water has that effect on it. So do I recommend rice water? I do. Another important thing to know about it is that rice water will leave like I guess you could call it a protective coat, but inositol on your hair, and that will not be removed until after about a month's time. So as many videos are there on YouTube saying rice water grew their hair, there are lots of videos also saying that people experience massive breakage and shedding with rice water. And I'm going to say most of the time in those cases, they might have used a little bit too much rice water. So the inositol, it takes about a month to be released from your hair. So I only wash my hair once a month anyway, so that lines up for me. But you want to be very careful with that. It's not a treatment that you should be doing more than once a month. But I definitely do recommend it. It's been great for my hair and great for my daughter's hair as well. Another thing you want to be mindful of with the rice water is that you're technically introducing a mold to your hair. So there's always a certain amount of mold that exists on your scalp naturally anyway and all over your body, but you don't want to throw anything off and cause an imbalance. So just something to be mindful of. So thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point, why haven't you subscribed? I mean, come on, subscribe, like, it helps the algorithm. And I appreciate you stopping by, and I'm gonna let you watch the rest of my application. Thank you so much.